Okay, you're in Microsoft Excel and you want to split a cell diagonally like I have done here. And I've got a title for my row headings and a title for my column headings in a single cell. Let's see how we can do this. Okay, with the cell selected, right click on it and then go to Format Cells. Go to the Border tab within the dialog box and you need to select a line style for your diagonal line. Now I'm just going to choose this solid line here and then I'm going to select this button which will give me the diagonal line. I then click on OK and you can see the diagonal line within the cell. So you now need to type in your titles and you start with the title for the column heading. So for me that's year. And then I need to come down on a new line within the same cell. So to do that I use Alt-Enter on my keyboard and then I type the title for the row headings. Now if I press Enter you can see both titles within the cell. But I need to bring this year title over to the right side of the cell. And to do that, I've got to put spaces in front of the title. I can also format it, change its color, and then press Enter. And the last thing I do is just make them bold.